it's your girl Katie here, and today I have my most recent order from Colourpop. So I kind of did like a Colourpop haul. I mean, I didn't get a ton of stuff, but you know, I got quite a bit. So I thought, why not go ahead and just film an unboxing of this and show you guys what all I picked up. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I don't know, like there was a palette that I've been wanting for a while from Colourpop, but it seemed like it was always out of stock. But it's in stock now, or at least the last time I checked it was. So I grabbed that with some other things that I've had my eye on for a while. Alright, so of course, usually Colourpop always has like a little card in here, a cute little card. I like this one, it says, "Sun's out, buns out." And that's cute, I like that card. Alright, so I'm just gonna start grabbing things. So first up, I got a restock of the cream gel liner in the shade Exit. This is my favorite white liner from Colourpop. I haven't actually tried any of the other shades that they have, but this one is always, it seems like it's always out of stock. It sells quickly, but here it is. This is a very good liner. It's one of my favorites from them. It is what I have in my waterlines right now, is that white. It's very creamy and it's very pigmented. So there's the first product. Alright, then I grabbed two lip products here, and when I ordered them I didn't realize how close of shade they were, but now that I have them I'm like, those are really close in shade. Alright, so I got a Luxe Velvet liquid lipstick in the shade Puddin'. So there it is. I'll do a little swatch of it real quick. It's a little more burnt orange than I thought it was going to be. I haven't tried it on yet, so I'll see how it is on the lips. But it looks kind of orange to me. And that's not how it looked in the picture, but maybe I just didn't pay attention. Maybe it dries down. I don't know. I'll have to see. It's still a pretty color. It's just not exactly what I thought. I don't know. In the bottle, it looks a little darker, but like on the swatch, it's a little orangier. But that's okay. I picked up a lippy stick because I do like their lippy sticks in the shade Ziggy, and this is a matte. So here's the box. There's nothing really special about the box. And then I'll go ahead and swatch it. They're very similar. This one may be a little bit darker, but they look kind of similar. I could probably use this as like a lip liner. And then use that other one on top. They're not, I guess they don't look that similar, but to me they look a little similar. Like I said, this one over here is a bit darker, but they're kind of like in the same. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just crazy. Maybe they just looked... Maybe I was thinking like on the outside, like the bottle looks a lot darker, so I thought they were a little similar. Like I said, this one swatches a little bit orangier. Alright, so those are the lip products, the two lip products I got. And then I went ahead and picked up another Super Shock cheek highlight because I really like the other one I have. And I got the shade Lunch Money. And I only picked this one up because it seemed to be really popular. And it seemed like everyone really liked this shade, so I went ahead and grabbed it just to see what everyone was talking about. Can you guys hear my dog snoring in the background? If you hear any weird noises, that's him. But here it is. And I'll go ahead and swatch it. It is a very pretty highlight. hope you guys can see it. I swatched it over here. It's very light, but I like these types of highlights. Alright, and then last but not least, the whole reason why I got stuff from Colourpop was because of this palette. And this is the Bare Necessities. This is one of their palettes here. It's one of the bigger palettes. I really like the detail on the box. I don't know if you can tell. I might have my lights up too much. Let me see. But it's got like, I don't know if you guys will be able to see. I don't know what to describe this. Like, almost looks like crocodile scales or something. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see it. Anyways, the packaging is really cool. And it's the same on the actual palette. It has the same kind of print on it. I know I don't probably need another nude palette, but I really like Colourpop's shadows, and I like to support them, so I don't know, they're kind of collector items to me personally. I don't know, I just really like Colourpop's eyeshadows, so I don't know, this one I've had my eye on for a while. I didn't get it as soon as it came out. I just kind of waited because, I mean, I wasn't in any need for a new palette, but like I said, this one has been out of stock for a little bit. Like it seemed like every time I went to go look at it again, it was out of stock. So this time around, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and pick it up. But anyway, guys, that is going to do it for today. That is everything that I just purchased recently from Colourpop. I'll probably do another Colourpop haul someday. I don't know when, but I really want to try out some of their foundations. I just recently picked up this Pretty Fresh hyaluronic acid tinted moisturizer. It's like I would say it's kind of like a BB cream or something. I don't think it has SPF in it, but you know, it's a very light foundation, and I've actually really liked this and have been enjoying this lately, so I am curious to try out some more of their foundations. That's one thing I haven't picked up from Colourpop yet, aside from that, is foundations, just because, I don't know, I have trouble picking out foundations online. I always feel like I'm going to screw up picking out my shade, so, but I might have to go ahead and try to, like, find a way to shade match myself and try out their foundations. So I really do want to try out some of their foundations. But yeah, guys, that's going to do it for today. I know this video is kind of short, but, you know, I didn't get a ton, but I just wanted to show you guys what all I had recently picked up from Colourpop. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you guys are liking seeing these types of videos. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!